welcome back. Today's video will be about shortening some sticks from a machinery. These sticks here, as you can see, they are made for back, forth, side, side, and also turn motions. That means that you have two rods here, because the one you're going back and forth with, that one is one stick inside, and the one you're turning is actually a tube going on the outside. What you need to do first of all, you need to measure the length. How much do you want to shorten it? In this case, we are going to remove roughly this much. So I went ahead and actually cut one in half. Let's see if we can have all the stuff up here. Here is the arm, as you can see. If you put them aside again. This is the arm as I have shortened, and here you will see that it actually is significant amount shorter. Inside this tube, this rod is. So there is actually two things to consider here, because I mean, welding it together, if it would have been one solid rod, it would have been easy. Just cut it, weld it, done. But since this tube here is inside and need to move freely in this one here, it's just not to weld it on the place, because that won't work. Also, there's actually bushings inside of this tube here. It's aluminium bushings on both sides, so you need to make sure that you do not hurt those during the process. What I have done so far is that I have cut it in part and I grinded it around a little bit. Then I took an angle iron like this one, same length, and just put them inside and clamp them into place. As you can see here, this one is not straight in the end. That means I cannot have that one inside here, or otherwise it will get crooked. So this is what you do to get it exactly straight. This is really, really important. You will be tack welding there and there. When that's done, let it cool down, remove it, and put another tack wheel on the other side, and hopefully it will not bend too much. Important part here is that you have it really, really straight in this, and you take it very, very calm. I will be TIG welding this because it is a little bit easier to have it smooth and not doing too much. I could be MIG welding it as well, and that will most likely go a little bit faster, but I will be TIG welding this. So, next phase, going to weld this one. So, next step is to align the outer tubing together. Same procedure here. You align them as good as you can on this place here. I mean, you could have put it on this rod here and weld them there, but then it will most likely go a little bit like this, because the tubing is 0.5 millimeter bigger than this one. The ones that keeps it really close is the bushings in the end. In that end and in that end. So if you would have welded it directly, having it here, it might go leaning inwards like that, and like, let's see, down like that. So then it won't work. So let's do it here. So when mounted together, as you can see, it's welded here. I screw this together. After you weld this, you need to drill it out, because there will be something underneath, a little bit at least. So I just took a drill and drilled it out. Mounting it together, this is the end result. So let's measure it. As you can see, shorter. So that's how easy it is to shorten something like this. Short video, not too much to show. So please subscribe, comment, like, whatever. Let me know what you want to see and see you next time.